Hello, here we're back again with the Mallorcuina channel, and today we want to introduce you one of our main products, which is the cuttlefish. As you can see here, fresh cuttlefish from the bay. It's from the family, from the octopus and the calamari. The texture is more or less similar, but the appearances are different, and we're going to show the difference in other videos or other pictures so you can distinguish which is calamari, which is squid, and which is the octopus. This ingredient, we use it in many of our dishes. One of it is pica pica, which is a spicy onion white wine dish. We also use it to just grill it with a nice aioli sauce. We use this in our paellas and also in the Eastern pies, the one we're going to show you how to prepare in a second. Hope you enjoy this video.
So hello, we just cleaned our cuttlefish. Yeah, you just have to put out all what is inside, and in the heat it has a little mouth also, and then you put it also inside. And then we have to cut them small pieces, like dices. Okay, it's like this. And this is okay, yeah? So now we have cut everything, our cuttlefish, baby onion and the peas, and we have to marinate it with paprika, black pepper and salt. And also we put a little bit of olive oil, so we get more flavor in our recipe.
So now it's time to make the dough. It's from the 1 kilo of dough, of flour, sorry, 2 glasses of oil and half glass of water. We're gonna make it a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna make half kilo flour. You can use whole grain flour if you want. We're using just white one. 1 glass of oil. Personally, I like to put a little bit of salt, and then we just have to knead it until we get a very consistent dough. So now it's time to make the pies. We have separated the dough in 4 round little doughs here. It's good to use one of these non-sticky oven papers, and the way of doing it is like from the dough we take a little bit off, which is gonna whip back a little bit windy, which is gonna be for the lid afterwards. Yeah, just leave it there, and the rest of it just plain it. And what we have to try is to make like this pie form. As you can see, we're getting slowly this pie shape. Yeah. Try to make it the thinnest you can, because if not, afterwards the dough is too thick, and it has to be like, it doesn't have to be too thin or not too thick. If it's too thin, it breaks and everything comes out. So as you can see, nice pie shape. Now we just take all this mixture, quite full, we press it down a little bit. Again, we take the rest for the lid, handmade only. And now this is the little bit tricky part. We just put it on the top, as you can see, and we start to close it, turning it around, it's properly closed. Do it like that, and then with the finger we just do it like that, that. So, and our panada is done. Now we just have to bake it in the oven, in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for about 45-50 minutes. And then it's done. Hope you enjoyed.